Health benefits of extra virgin olive oil. The health blessings of olive oil are unequaled, and research reveals greater advantages nearly every day. In fact, we are only just beginning to understand the infinite ways olive oil can improve our health and our lives. There are 7 amazing ways that olive oil may be good for you. Better sex life. Greater virgin olive oil can improve your intercourse lifestyles. Casanova need to have had high-quality circulation for all the one's conquests. Olive oil boosts circulation to all areas of the body, which include those hard-to-reach erogenous zones. Weight loss. 20 liters of extra virgin olive oil every year, and maximum Mediterraneans nonetheless aren't fat. A weight reduction plan wealthy in more virgin olive oil may deliver extra and longer-lasting weight loss results than a low-fats weight loss program. Pregnant aid. No longer simplest can olive oil utility assist in avoiding stretch marks. Consuming greater virgin olive oil even as pregnant might also enhance your infant's psychomotor reflexes and extra pain relief. Greater virgin olive oil includes a substance known as oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory retailers, meaning olive oil is like a herbal ibuprofen. Studies more and more indicates inflammation affects some of chronic sicknesses. So olive oil's anti-inflammatory houses grow greater, compelling all the time. Pores and skin savior. More virgin olive oil helps with anti-aging, osteoporosis and skin harm. One that's demonstrated is that it adds a protective coating at the pores and skin, both through intake and application. Mental agility. Olive oil is wealthy in monounsaturated fats, which studies indicate enables SAVIOUR sluggish down the cognitive decline related to illnesses like Alzheimer's. Strengthens immune machine. Loaded with antioxidants, essential for strengthening and protective your immune machine. Extra virgin olive oil may additionally help you grow to be greater resistant to contamination. This extensive variety of critical antioxidants isn't observed in different oils. Thank you. If you like our video, hit like button, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe our channel.